Okay, my students, this is honors. We're going to review completing the square and quadratic formula the first day of class. So we're going to do that now. Then I'll put videos out tomorrow or Wednesday for the second half of the week, which will be on dividing. Ooh, how exciting. So completing the square, the first thing we have to do is divide by our A. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 3 equals 0. So then we get the constant to the other side, so we subtract 3. So x squared plus 2x equals negative 3. Then we're going to complete the square. So you take half of the number times x and squared. Half of 2 is 1, 1 squared is 1. Add it to both sides. Factor, it's x plus 1 squared. Negative 2. Square root both sides. Remember, when you square root a term and a number, it's plus or minus, and the square root of a negative is I. So don't forget to pop your I out. Then subtract 1. Okay, this is just review. This is a 30, by the way, 32. So I want you to do these two by completing the square for me, please. And then turn me back on. Okay, so this one we divide everything by 8. So you get x squared plus 4x plus 1. Subtract 1. So you should line up the equals, but I'm getting sloppy here. This is my bad. So half of 4 is 2. 2 squared is 4. Add it to both sides. So it'd be x plus 2 squared equals 3. Square root both sides. X plus 2 equals plus or minus square root of 3. Then subtract 2. This one, divide everything by 10. So it'd be x squared plus 6x plus 12. Subtract 12. So you go half of 6 is 3. 3 squared is 9. Factor x plus 3 squared equals 3. So x plus 3 equals plus or minus square root of 3. So x equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of 3. Woohoo! Now again, another thing that's review that you should know by now, hopefully, is solving. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I did that. By the quadratic formula. So here we go. We're going to add 1 to both sides. So x squared plus 4x plus 1 equals 0. Now some people will say actually put the a, b, c down. So a equals 1, b equals 4, c equals 1. Or if you want to just plug and chug, if you're okay, that's fine too. So you go the opposite of 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 squared minus 4ac, which is 4, all over 2a. 2 times 1 is 2. So negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 12 over 2. 12 is 4 times 3. Square root of 4 is 2, so negative 4 plus or minus 2 square root of 3 over 2. So that would be negative 2 plus or minus square root of 3. So do these two for me right now, solved by quadratic formula. Okay, good. I hope you turn me back on. Remember quadratic formula, negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Yo, 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 it's negative b plus or minus square root, even my homies can see. b squared minus 4ac. Hey, look it on my bling, bling, bling. All over 2a. Get out of my house. So it's just plug and chug. Negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 25 minus 4ac, which is 12. All over 2a is 6. So negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 13 over 6. Now, since we can't simplify the square root of 13, you're done. Now, if that was the square root of 9 or square root of 18, you'd start simplifying it. But 13 can't do anything with. Last one, negative 7 plus or minus the square root of b squared of 49 minus 4 times a times c, which is 16, I do believe, all over 2a, which is 4. So x equals negative 7 plus or minus square root of 33 all over 4. Hey, hey, hey. Hope you haven't forgotten that. Now, I will be making probably 2 more videos to cover Thursday and Friday. But that's enough for Tuesday, Wednesday. Have a good day.